You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. There's going to be two slightly different pronunciations, British English and American English. Let's go through the UK British English pronunciation. Refinery, re-fi-na-re. The stress is on the second fi syllable, refinery. Now the Americans do skip the n syllable and go from the n to the r, ignoring the e, as in refinery, 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 American English, or refinery in British English. They are both correct pronunciations, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.